Hello everybody, my name is Patrice and today we'll analyze the user interface and interaction about an amazing game named Arizona Sunshine. Arizona Sunshine is a first-person shooter built exclusively for VR that immerses you in a post-apocalyptic southwestern America overrun by zombies. Equipped with guns and limited ammos, you're looking desperately for human contact. Developed for the HTC Vive and Oculus, there are some interesting UI and interactions that will guide you to complete your adventure.
Let's go. Boom.
Let's start with the main menu. This menu is actually the inside of a caravan where you can turn around and explore it before selecting an option. These options are represented by a cartridge and you need to pick one of them to insert it into a projector. There are some other objects with which you can interact. By example, this hammer. You can see there's a problem with this object because I can move it through the table. This kind of interaction are not natural, and this is not what a user will expect to happen. This can break the effect of presence in this virtual environment because the user will not believe it. There is a little circle on each cartridge that informs the user that there is an important interaction with them. But these circles seems to overlay everything in this environment, and this is again something that is not natural or expected. This can generate confusions in some other scenarios. Also, when I tried to insert the cartridge for the first time into the projector, I didn't expect to confirm this insertion by pressing the trigger. I think that if the user select the cartridge and move it to the projector, this is sufficient to confirm that the user has voluntarily chosen these options. There is no need to ask for another input there. When the cartridge is inserted, the screen changes presenting a 2D menu. From there, you need to know that you must pick the pistol on the table to select an option on the screen because there's no way to guide you to do that. But once you select it, once you pick the pistol, you will see a laser ray that helps you to select some option before beginning your adventure. Once you are in the game, you can use a menu that is positioned directly on your watch of your right arm. To activate it, you must point it with your gun and press the trigger button with your left controller. This menu is a radial menu that presents only 4 options. The problem I see with this menu is about the icons that are used to represent these options. Do you know what each option means? I didn't know until I tried them. The first 2 options are great because they are only usable in multiplayer mode. The little burger on the bottom left is to quit the game to the main menu inside the caravan. The other one on the bottom right is only to exit the game. I didn't try the co-op mode, so I can only guess that the first 2 options are to activate a chat and the other one a microphone. In this example, we can see how I can interact with a door to move inside the environment. This kind of interaction are very natural and can help improve the sense of presence. We can also see how I can take ammunitions and store them on my belt that present an interesting way to show an inventory.
There's a hole in the back of that building. That must be how they escaped the area. All right, let's go.
Like in every shooter game, the player can take damage. To see how many health points the player have in Arizona Sunshine, just need to look at your watch. To replenish your health, you need to do another very natural action to eat food.
Sunshine! Woohoo! Oh, and some Freddies. They don't have walls or something. Hey, what are you doing here?
Here we can see the Locomotion system, how I can move near a small town using the teleportation. I just need to point on the ground and confirm my action to automatically move there. This teleportation system can help me moving in an environment that is bigger than my room. Also, I can take advantage of this virtual environment to take cover by crunching and moving around the virtual space.
Excuse me, out of my way, boys. I'm on a mission here. Look at this. Barricades. Alright, that's a good sign. Get past it though. Looks like I'm gonna have to make my way through the gardens.
The problem with the teleportation system is that the user can go anywhere that he can point. But in a virtual game, we need to limit that because we don't want the user to go outside of the game area. So in this example, we can see that the interface for the teleportation turns red when you try to go outside of the zone. We can also see how developers have implemented a way to navigate vertically in the virtual environment. We just need to point a ladder and confirm the action to teleport at the top of it. This is a very fast way to move, but can also disorient the player easily. This video presents a place where the screen fades to black when I approach the edge of a precipice. I don't think for this specific example, the fade to black is a good way to limit the movements of the players. Here I just want to take a look at the bottom of the precipice, but the fade to black blocked me. I understand the goal of the developers to avoid users looking or moving through walls or other objects, but I think they need to put more precision for these systems. So in conclusion, Arizona Sunshine have a lot of interesting user interface and interaction specific for VR. I don't have talk about all of them, so I encourage you to play this game to discover them. I hope you enjoyed this video, and don't forget to click on the like button and the subscribe button to encourage me to make other videos like this one. Thank you, and bye bye.